Na mtazamaji, karibu michezoni. Mashabiki wa mbio za nyika kutoka humu nchini waliwasili nchini Uganda hii leo wakiwa tayari kushabikia wanariadha wa Kenya ambao watashiriki katika mbio za nyika za mwaka huu. Na wakati huo rais wa shirikisho la riadha duniani IAAF Sebastian Coe amedai kwamba shirikisho lake litahakikisha kwamba nchi zingine zitazidi kushiriki katika mashindano hayo.
Funds are trooping. We have 350 plus funds coming. This is the first batch that has arrived from Central Rift, Eldoret. The Nairobi bus is coming. That is the train itself on the road. And it's coming. The bus from Kisii is on the way. The bus from Athletics Kenya is already in town. We are coming for this thing. It's ours. And we are here for our children. We know all of them. We were there last time when we were doing our trials, and we know what they can do for our Kenyan people. Therefore, Kenyans, come trooping. It's still time.
We are sure we are going to win.